2013 Buick Enclave. Got the PO118, 119 on here. But of course, let's see if I can get you in here. There's the coolant temp. I tested it out yesterday too with it, and it was reading. The instrument was reading over 210, but in actuality, with the scanner, it was only doing 180, so it is out of range. So whenever you go to replace this, try to have a scanner or some kind of device where you can tell the exact temperature that the computer's telling you. So you'll know the difference on that. But of course, these are right here in the front. You have that aluminum foil looking wrap around for the heat. We're gonna pull that thing up here in just a second. It's a 19 millimeter. I always move this high pressure up right here, kind of out of the way, just so I can get my hand in here easy. It's just 10 millimeters right here. Let's see if I can get this with my hand. Let it fall in too far. There we go. Alright, this makes it putting your hand straight in here a little bit easier. It ain't nothing but 2 10 millimeters. Alright, let's get on it. Be careful with your stuff here, because you like to have this stay on there. Kind of move it out of the way. Then you're going to have a little red clip on there. You're going to have to get off the switch there. So we'll get a little hook and we'll take that off. I don't know how good you can see this. I'll try to get you in there. Right in there. If you can see right there, I got my hook. Well, my hook just fell. But anyway, you pull up this red switch and then you push in the other one. You push in your little switch on there after you got to move your black safety switch, and then you push in that black one. Alright, once you get the old one off, always inspect. Make sure everything's alright with your pigtail. Make sure everything's right with the wiring. And I'll show you what socket and everything to get here in just a second. I use a 19 deep well and a extension to get in here. I'll show you in just a second. But you got to make sure your 19 is deep enough. If it's just a regular 19, they can be deep enough, because you got to go all the way by. And this is the part number, PX123. You got to go all the way deep enough to get over this socket. Get over this sensor on the socket. So make sure you get a deep enough one. Just slip it right on top of it there. Just to get it there. Alright, there's enough. Of course, you can take it by hand now. Put your little something under there. Might get a little spill. Nothing, no big deal. Let's go ahead and take it out with your hand. Alright, here's your switch. We'll put the new one in. Let's kind of reverse the process, of course. Feel your way in there, kind of like putting in a spark plug. Yeah, let's tighten it down after you get it started. Of course, plug it back up and check for leaks, and then we'll get the scanner back on it and see if this new one works. We got that. We got the heat thing strapped back on it. Put it back on here. And then check it out. All right. Got about 165, whatever. Anyways, now it's working. So, gauge is working with it. So thanks for watching.